Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mariah if you're new here, and hopefully you are. Today I'm going to be doing a review slash tutorial on the Melt Cosmetics Smoke Sessions collection. I already did my face makeup, as you can see. I'm gonna just do the eyeshadow and then I'm going to try out all 4 of the lipsticks. When I looked last on the website, which was January 2nd, the eyeshadow palette was sold out, but all 4 of the liquid lipsticks were in stock. So hopefully this tutorial will be useful. Or if you already got it, you just want to see how it looks on a skin tone close to yours, or just how it looks. Or if you just want to watch me, whatever, I don't care. I'm just glad you're here. But without any more time wasted, let's get right into it. Okay, so the collection comes with a eyeshadow palette and 4 liquid lipsticks. Like I said in the intro, I'm pretty sure that the eyeshadow palette will still be sold out, but the last I checked, the 4 liquid lipsticks were in stock. Okay, so here is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. Yeah, so I have been really wanting to use this palette, but I wanted to wait until I filmed a video with it first. My favorite color is olive green, but honestly, all green. They have these golds in here too that just are really gonna be flattering on my skin. There's so many looks that you can do with this, but I think for the sake of this video, I'm gonna stick with this half of the, this half of the palette, just because you always see gold, you know. Let's get right into it. I'm excited. Okay. So before I start, I want to prime my eyes. I'm going to prime my eyes using the P. Louise base in Rumor number 3.
Believe me or leave me, I'm too stoned.
Okay, so because there is no transition shade in the palette, I'm going to just use this orange shade, Eden, out of the Huda Beauty palette. So I'm going to start with the lid first because honestly, I'm scared. So we're gonna start with the shade Blue Dream, and I'm gonna put that on my inner corner. And we're gonna use Sweet Tooth. So lastly, for the lid, I'm gonna use the shade Mean Green right here. Now I'm gonna take my Morphe M433 brush and I'm going to dip in a Space Queen, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to risk everything. I'm just kidding. I'm going to tap it on the outside. And boogie that bad boy into my crease. Okay, I am back. So I found 2 palettes that I think are gonna help me take this look home. I've got the Subculture palette and I've got the Jaclyn Hill palette. I actually think I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna use the, oh bitch, okay wait, she don't have no shades on here. I'm gonna use the shade this. the sake of this video not being 45 minutes long, I wanted to just do a voiceover, and also it'll just help me explain things more clearly. So right now I'm just buffing out that dark green shade in the Smoke Sessions palette with the Jaclyn Hill shade that I told you guys I used earlier. And then after I blend that out to what I like, I'm going to just clean up under it. But what happened is I ended up putting that Jaclyn Hill shade underneath my eyeshadow, and then I went in with the deepest shade in that palette, the deepest green shade, and I just deepened up under there as well, as you can see right here. And then I ended up cleaning that up again. So that's what I'm gonna do in a minute. And then after I get done cleaning up that eyeshadow, I'm going to add some concealer to the inner part of my eyes. And that's just to brighten everything up, just in case there's a little bit of fallout from all that blending. And now I'm just lowering the shadow a bit. I kind of got carried away and kind of just changed up what I wanted the look to be like. So I'm just lowering the eyeshadow. And then after that, I'm just blending everything out to make it look nice and seamless. And then this is what the eyes look all finished. Okay, well that is it for this tutorial slash review slash journey that we were just on. Thank you for going along with me on this crazy ride. I definitely like the look that we came up with. I loved all the liquid lipsticks, honestly, with the eyeshadow. They were all looks in itself. I honestly just kept this one on because it was the last one I tried on. But that BELLASTONA looks so good with this shadow. It was definitely, I mean, it was the wild thoughts. It was literally wild thoughts. If you guys did enjoy watching me, then please comment, like, and subscribe. It really helps me out. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.